right, everybody. We're out here in the beautiful orchards, date orchards of Thermal. And it's Coachella week, so all the crazy kids are out there at the concert and we're trying to avoid them all. This bike just came in. It's from Mark, and we're going to get into that here in a second. But let's get into this bike here, Lindy Lou, and see what we got. All right, Lindy Lou's trying to get some shots done out here. We got flies out here. We got, it's a nice day, but we're out here on a quiet road. Hopefully we do get a couple farm trucks. So anyways, this bike is a bike that we originally did for Miles out of Newport Beach. Actually lives in Corona Del Mar. We did the full restoration for him in 2011. And he's had it since until last year. Now he wanted to sell it. I guess he sold it to Mark, another customer of ours, Mark L, Canadian. And he's had it for a few months, and I don't know, he wants to sell it now too. So it's got low miles, and we just went through, the bike did sit for a long time. I haven't seen the bike probably in 10 years or so. And it did have a little, we didn't like left side cylinder. So, you know, I had Stevie go in and just put another big bore kit in it. So it's got great compression now. This thing is quiet like a brand new motor. Low miles. We got 2,100 miles in it. It's just a nice looking bike. It just came in. So we're just kind of doing a little quickie video here for you guys and getting this thing, see if we can get it up on eBay, see if we got any interest out here. It's a 72, early, well, mid 72 model. So it's got the single 2 leading shoe front brake. Brakes are working really nice though. Actually, these brakes work really good. We set them up nice. They work really good. So the only issue is if they get wet, but other than that, they work really nice. I guess somebody left the pulley cover off, so I guess we'll get that on. I don't know, just got left off. So show them the biggest issue we got with this thing is we got this is some shrinkage from lead, because we've got, when we did these old tanks back then, we used lead, and sometimes the lead will move. So you can kind of see it's kind of like a, I think that's the only spot. Is there another spot up here? It's not really that noticeable. Only, you see anything else there, Lindy Lou?
Another one on this side.
It's not bad, but we're just pointing that out. The tank still looks beautiful. I mean, you got to get up close to see that, but I just want to make sure it's not super perfect. I can't warranty him for 15 years. So anyways. But we're doing things different now in the tank, so that's why that doesn't happen anymore. But yeah, we got a couple spots up there. So anyways, there she is. This thing also, show them the siren, Lindy Lou. So this thing also has a friction siren. So we put that on years ago for him. So this will go, we'll put it up on eBay here shortly, hopefully before the end of April. And if you guys are interested in it, give me a call. I want to try to get, you know, I think it's going to go for, it's probably going to be the best, at least one of, probably the best deal we might have this spring, this year. So it's a great deal and beautiful bike. So let's see how she sounds. And we'll do some drive-bys. Hopefully you guys like these videos, like and subscribe, all that good stuff. I don't know. So anyways, thank you guys for checking out the video. We appreciate it, and let's hear how it sounds.
cycle garden mow.
Is it rolling or
Yeah,
is
it
it
is rolling.
standby?
Wow, that's way too close. You're gonna break the camera.
I have great features. I'm a very charismatic lady.
He wouldn't have made it this far.
Yeah, I know.